This tool shows you where the real smart money actually enters the market. The green line represents the smart money in institutions, and the red line represents the retail traders. Now, pay attention to what happens when both reaches their extremes. When smart money is extremely bullish and retail is bearish, price moves higher. And when smart money becomes extremely bearish and retail is bullish, price moves lower. You see this repeat again and again. Now, here's a simple way to actually use this. Start on the weekly time frame and mark any supply or demand zone. If price is approaching a demand zone and the indicator shows smart money extremely bullish while retail is bearish, that zone is likely to hold. And that's where you look for entries. But look at this example. Price is approaching a supply zone, yet smart money is still bullish. What does it tell you? It means that this supply zone is not backed by real smart money. It's a retail trap, and the level is unlikely to hold. Most people never see the real side of trading because YouTube and Instagram are flooded with random theories and lagging indicators. And that's exactly why I want to show you what real trading actually looks like.